over to Telangana. Just ahead of Punjabi singer and actor Diljit Dosanjh's concert scheduled for Friday in Hyderabad, the Telangana government has issued a notice to the organizers stating that songs promoting alcohol, drug and violence shall not be sung at the event. Diljit's concert in Hyderabad was part of his Dil Luminati tour to 10 cities across India. The notice also restricts the singer from using children on stage during his live performance. The notice further says that loud sounds and flashing lights during the concert are harmful for children. Diljit Dosanjh on his Hyderabad concert in fact posted on social media saying, "Aandhi roke to hum tufan, tufan roke to hum aag ka darya." That is what Diljit Dosanjh has said. In fact, he's known for his fiery words of encouragement. But all those songs which are perhaps carrying lyrics that allude to even consumption of alcohol, drugs, will in fact not be permitted as far as his live performance in Hyderabad is concerned. What's ironical is that Telangana has seen a high rise as far as liquor consumption is concerned. To share some figures with you, Telangana has consumed 1,000 crore rupees worth of liquor during 9 days of Navratri. This is a report that's come in October of this year itself, and there's been a yearly rise in the growth of liquor consumption, especially in the state of Telangana. So for the Telangana government to issue that notice to Diljit Dosanjh just ahead of his concert in Hyderabad has been seen in a rather ironical light, and the notice has also been issued asking him to not sing these songs at the event that are promoting any kind of alcohol use, drugs or even violence. It has warned Dosanjh to not use even children during his show. But you've seen that response come in from Diljit Dosanjh, who's taken to the social media platform by saying that "Aandhi roke to hum tufan, tufan roke to hum aag ka darya." Swastika Das joins me with more inputs on that news story. Swastika, I think important to bring out the bitter irony that also accompanies this, because Telangana is one state which has seen a consistent rise in the use of alcohol especially.
Well, yes, but with respect to Diljit Dosanjh's concert, this is like a massive concert that's happening in Hyderabad. In fact, my VJ Venkatesh can show you. This is just beside the airport, and their trial runs are currently underway for the music drills, and fans have started forming queues, because this is going to be one such event where, remember, the day the bookings were open, every ticket got sold out within minutes. And now the fans that you see right in front of us are not just from Hyderabad per se. They've come all the way from Delhi. Some have come from Chandigarh. Some have come from Ludhiana. In fact, and let me just also understand and establish the fact that the government here per se has not imposed any restrictions, but what it has categorically said is that the program should finish by 10 p.m. as is the norm in any other city. And number two, songs with respect to alcohol or drugs cannot be sung by the artists here. And more importantly, children. Usually you can see the stage over there. Children there participating, usually they go towards the stage. The government has in fact instructed the organizers that there should be watertight security to ensure that nobody is on the stage. But why are these restrictions in place? Number one, to regulate, and this comes with a complaint that was put forth by a resident from Chandigarh, who said that we did see similar kind of scenes in Delhi, and that kind of thing should be avoided here. In fact, let me also very quickly, some more time from your end. I have this Chote Paji who has travelled all the way from Delhi. तो आपका पोस्टर कहाँ है जो मुझे दिखा रहे थे? अच्छा वहाँ है. So आपने दिलजीत के साथ डांस किया था, फोटो खिंचवाई थी, कहाँ पे?
फोटो ने खिंचवाई.
क्या फोटो?
वीडियोस भी
जयपुर में आप उनके साथ थे, स्टेज में डांस किया था आपने?
किया था.
और कैसे लगते हैं आपको दिलजीत?
अच्छा.
Okay, let me speak to his parents. In fact, you've come from which part of the country?
It's from Delhi, New Delhi.
और ये concert कितने नंबर का
concert number 3 है. Delhi में भी we have been there. and फिर then we have gone to Jaipur. Jaipur में Anand को Diljit Paji has called him on stage.
And
And-
that's the photo of
Yeah, that's the photo on stage.
Anant and Diljit Dosanjh.
Which is getting very viral nowadays, so you can check online also. And then he has made these for Mr. Diljit. This is the first one. Alexa, ask Diljit to give me a hug again. And this is the second one.
Since it's
Sold.
third concert,
So
so he
are
has.
you expecting that this time also he's going to be lucky enough to share stage
No,
with?
we are not expecting that. It's just that he's such a big fan. We haven't seen a boy this young to be a fan of any person. He's like all day हमारे घर में सिर्फ दिलजीत के song ही बजते हैं. मतलब the moment he wakes up and he's like Alexa play Goat by Diljit
I
Dosanjh.
am not surprised. In fact, मैं जो जानना चाहती हूँ, see, you've attended so many concerts of his. Now tell me, in these type of concerts, how is the crowd management? Because the government here has specifically pointed out that number one, crowd management should be good. Number two, he cannot sing songs on alcohol and drugs.
We have not experienced anything bad or any violence over any of the previous concerts. In any of the shows, we haven't experienced any violence. In fact, the crowd there, most of the people are fan. So they are like very supportive
Everybody
and
was there together and supporting each other. मतलब not pushing in the crowd. It was so.
तो आपको लगता है कि ये जो restrictions है ये valid है?
आई डोंट थिंक सो. अब यहाँ की गवर्नमेंट का क्या है, दे नो इट बेटर कि यहाँ का क्राउड कैसे रिएक्ट करता है. तो आई थिंक उस वजह से बोला होगा. बट ऐसा कोई गाना है ही नहीं जो वायलेंस को प्रमोट करता हो. तो वी जस्ट ऑल एंजॉय दी सॉन्ग्स ऑफ दिलजीत.
And clearly you've traveled so many cities to be here in Hyderabad.
1,600 kilometers to be here again.
Yeah, that's I guess the power and
and
magic of Diljit Dosanjh.
He sold all his toys to yeah, to meet Diljit Paji again.
ठीक है, उससे पूछती हूँ दिलजीत के लिए एक मैसेज दे दो.
I love you. Take me home.
I love you, take me home.
And I wanted to sing a song for you. He knows Diljit's song.
All right.
Ek song.
So we'll get you ground updates here, but yes, great fans over here, and they say that there should be no
Right.
restrictions as such.
Absolutely, and fans from all age groups have fun over there, Swastika. And in the meantime, let's also ask our viewers what do they think if this notice coming in from the Telangana government for Diljit Dosanjh, is this a case of moral policing or not? And joining me is our first live caller, Gagan from Dehradun. Gagan, share with us your views. Do you think that this is a case of moral policing, or you do think that it is high time the government starts checking all these live concerts which also have children in attendance for any kind of lyrics that are promoting the use of alcohol, drugs or even violence?
I will just say that every celebrity has something social responsibility also. So they themselves should think about the censorship of their own, okay, whether they should sing such songs or such things which should affect the society. That's all. So I don't think the government is doing something wrong. After all, we always blame government when something goes wrong. So responsibility should be on our own self. So celebrities should also think themselves. Okay, we are doing something we should do which should not affect the social public.
But Gagan, it's also known that Telangana is one state where the use of alcohol has already been on the rise consistently.
Yeah, I know.
And especially during Navratri period, we've seen about purchase going up by 1,000 crore rupees. So is it not rather ironical for a government of such a state to be doing so?
Yeah, definitely. They should also take action for this. And if they are doing moral policing, this is also necessary. ये इसलिए जरूरी है क्योंकि बाद में जब कुछ बुरा होता है तो then we see to the government कि वो कुछ करती नहीं है. Let them do this also.
All right. Many thanks to you, Gagan, for sharing your views with us. I quickly go back to Swastika, who continues to stay with us. So, Swastika, give us a sense of what are you observing at the concert right now. You spoke to one of the children over there. So, we'll try and re-establish connection with Swastika. But as she's been getting you a sense of what the sentiment is on ground zero, nothing seems to have hampered the people from, in fact, flocking over there for the concert of Diljit Dosanjh. The fact fact of the matter remains, as one of our callers, Gagan, was also highlighting, that it is the government's moral responsibility.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.